The results are really good. Our bank has delivered a global business of 27.86 lakh crores with a growth rate of almost 10.6%. Net profit touched 4,900 crores, almost touching the 5,000 crore mark. Net interest income stood at 21,000, almost in that range. MSME has grown with a growth rate of 18.6%, and agriculture also in that range we have grown. We are aiming to make the RAM advances share to 60% to Peggy in the days to come.
This was impressive financial result. What is your say? How would you react to the financials?
Of course, the results are really good. Our bank has delivered a global business of 27.86 lakh crores with a growth rate of almost 10.6%. Deposits have grown with a YOY of almost 11%, 10.9%. Reached a figure of 16.17 lakh crores. Advances has grown by 10.1% YOY and reached a level of 11.70 lakh crores. CD ratio of the bank, it is at a very impressive level of 72.33%, and still good room for our growth is available. Time advances has grown with 12.7% and it reached 6.35 lakh crores. We reached an operating profit of 7,227 crore. Last quarter also we delivered more than 7,000 crore, and this quarter also we are continuing, and we are poised to touch a level of 8,000 operating profit of 8,000 crores level. Net profit touched 4,900 crores, almost touching the 5,000 crore mark. Net interest income stood at 21,000, almost in that range. ROA also is more than 1. Last quarter we were a bit low than this quarter. Again we have recovered and touched a level of 1.05%. Overall, the performance is really good. NPA also we have reduced a lot. Gross NPA stood at 3.45%, net NPA at 0.36%. So overall it is fine performance, very impressive performance for a bank of our size. It's really good.
What have been the main growth drivers this quarter across retail, corporate and MSME segments?
Actually, this quarter we have focused more on retail, agri and MSME. In fact, corporate growth has little subdued at almost 7.9%. And if you touch the retail loans, vehicle loan has crossed more than 31% and housing more than 13%. MSME has grown with a growth rate of 18.6%, and agriculture also in that range we have grown. So overall, RAM is a focused area for our bank. We are aiming to make the RAM advances share to 60% to Peggy in the days to come. Coming to corporate also, we are giving a lot of focus. We want to achieve the March, whatever corporate budget we have given, we want to do it by December itself in this quarter. So by that way, we want to stabilize the advances level, because as I told in the previous one, CD ratio is around 72% only. We want to make it as 75%. Such a room is there which we want to make good in the corporate advances first.
Okay. How is bank viewing credit growth and profitability guidance for the rest of the FY 2026, sir?
Yeah, we have given a guidance of for credit growth is around 11 to 12%. We are growing little lower than that in this quarter, because first 2 quarters it was a subdued quarter for the advances is concerned, and the second quarter and third quarter and fourth quarter definitely there is a huge room, because lot of opportunities are available. Apart from that, we have sanctioned loans which is yet to be disbursed. That is around 1,40,000 crores is available. Apart from that, current year, whatever we have given preliminary sanction, NBG clearance, that is around 30,000 crores. 1,80,000 crores of provisional sanction and sanction is on the hand, which will be disbursed over a period of maybe a year or so. Mostly this will happen during this third quarter and fourth quarter, which will be adding to our advances figures in a healthy way.
Okay. What impact do you foresee from the recent GST reduction on home and car loan demands?
Yeah, we have already witnessed in the third quarter the disbursement of car loan, housing loans and all. It is in the higher range. The customers are also very interested in taking these loans because their disposable income is more at their hands. So with that, as such, our growth is more than 30%. Definitely, it will shoot up, and we are visualizing as well as we are seeing the growth in vehicle loan and housing loans, apart from MSME loans.
Okay. How is PNB managing asset quality and maintaining margins amid changing market conditions, sir?
Yeah, as I mentioned earlier, this GA gross NPA itself, it is around 3.45%, and our net NPA is 0.36%. It is around 4,000 crore absolute term wise. Our profit, one quarter profit itself is almost 5,000 crore. If you want to make as a zero net NPA also, we can make it. To such a strong level, the PNB is positioned. Slippage ratio, if you see, we have given a guidance of 1%, but our actual slippage ratio is only 0.71%. We are having a underwriting standard also has gone up like anything. Over a period of 5 years, whatever loans we have granted, if you analyze, its slippage is hardly 0.41%. So in that way, slippage is also well maintained. Underwriting standard has gone up. Most of the loans, whatever we are sanctioning, it is digitized. And verticalization has happened in the bank, which has given a specialization for the individuals also to analyze. Proper mechanism is in place, and digital tools are being implemented, API is integrated, and all put together, it gives a good result for the slippage management, and asset quality is maintained.
Okay. Are there any new digital or strategic initiative planned to strengthen retail lending and customer reach, sir?
Actually, PNB for the past 1 year, if you analyze, more than 100 odd digital products have been introduced. We are one of the forerunners with regard to digital products is concerned. Even for personal loans, PAPL, it is a highly successful scheme with regard to PNB is concerned. Apart from that, two-wheelers are the vehicle loans as the case may be. Customer need not come to branch at all. Sitting at the home with 4 clicks, they can get the vehicle loan itself getting sanctioned. They themselves can select the brand of the vehicle and they can apply. Only thing, they need an account with us, that's all. With that, all the digital products they will be in a position to avail. Apart from that, e-GST, e-PM Swanidhi, this one MSME, digital MSME loan, everything is digitized. We are introducing even for a tractor loan, customer need not come to branch. We are going to make it digitized. Circular is issued, we are implementing that also, including agriculture side. We want to make it digitized. Actually, the renewal of loans, that is also happening through digital, without the customer coming to the branch. Through OTP, he has to send a OTP only, through which account will get renewed. Otherwise, it is a customer has to come, he has to sign documents, fill up all the papers. Nothing is needed. Now things have been digitized. So up to 1 crore, whatever loans available with PNB, if a customer is having all the records intact, the loans will get renewed automatically digitally.
Okay.
Such a advanced level we have gone up now.
What is your final say on the impact of GST reforms, sir?
GST reforms actually, as I told, the disposable income with the customers or the general public, it is on the higher side now. Whatever rate they have to pay earlier, now it has come down. So there is a positive mood with regard to the customers to purchase or invest, as the case may be, and it spurs the in the market itself, and investment is going up. Apart from that, the utilization of funds, it is in a proper way, it is going, so that the economy, it will add to the economy as a whole. It is very, very positive move done by the government